Hi all, welcome to the shortest session of the entire course curriculum, the SAP product costing. Okay, so I have made it a separate topic rather than including into any other topic. Ideally, this particular step is done after you have created a bill of material and routing, right? Both of these you need to go and assign it to your what you call material, right? So directly we will go into the demo. Okay, so you have to go to the material master. So let's go to the material master slash and go to the change mode MM02. Okay, it's a very simple step. Probably will complete our class within 2 minutes. So you select your material. In this case, I am selecting the SFG first. SFG good. In SFG, I'll say enter. Okay. Deselect all of this. I don't need any of this. All you need to do is go to MRP4. Okay. Here please recollect in my earlier sessions I told you what is a quantity structure. Bill of material and routing put together is your quantity structure. Okay. Whenever you have completed the design and prototype stage of a product and then there is a predetermined fixed bill of material and a determined routing process which doesn't change. So then you say that okay, I have a firm bill of material, I have firm routing process. You create both of these, then you associate it to a material which is done in MRP4. You just have to select MRP4. I am selecting additional tab here which you need not do. Say OK. So this particular material I am producing in BB10 and say OK. That's all. In MRP4 tab, go to production version. Just give any name. So I will say this is SFG1, right? SFG1. Okay. And I'll choose any description here. I'll say SFG1 semi-finished good. Okay. So this is being carried out in BB10 plant. So I'll give some description like this. This is some description which you want, you may give. BB10 SFG. So instead of semi-finished good, semi-fin version 001, give the date. Now here is why I was giving uniform date. So if I would have given the day material, the bomb date as 6th August, which is today, and routing date as 5th August, there will be date inconsistency which will not let you create a production version. So that's the reason I gave everything as 1st August. Now here I can give this production version is applicable from 1st August and it is applicable till 31/12/2024. I can give 9999 also. You can assign any number of production versions. Okay. Here I have given one production version. I'll click SFG1. Done. Now here you see I'll do routing. Detail planning. Task type is routing. So select N routing. Do not enter the group number, routing number. Click on search help. Now in search help, by default it is selecting material. If it doesn't select material, see search using material, click on this small button here and then you select this C which indicates search by using material. Okay. Now the material gets populated and then say OK. It will pick up all the routings available for this particular material. Now you have to select the bill of material. So go to the bill of material. See the bill of material, there is only one bill of material which got selected. Now the most important step is check. Click on check here. So you should get task list exists, BOM exists. And then once you close this window, it will give you green traffic signal indicating that both these are now good enough. You can start production. Alright. Then I will continue. Okay. Then again I will continue. Let me just check MR all these things. So work scheduling I have already maintained. Production supervisor. Click on save. That's all. This is all that you have to do in production version. As I told you, it will be a very shortest topic. Now I'll do for finished good. Okay, go to finished good. FG001. Enter. Deselect all of them. The only thing I want to look is MRP4. Say OK. It is getting manufactured in BB10, which is fine, right? So BB10 you have FG001 3S production version. Go here and select FG01, okay. BB10, instead of SFG I will say it is FG. You can give any description. Again, start date is 1st August, valid till 31/12/99. Double click on this version here in FG01. When you double click here, go to the planning data here, routing, in routing and routing, okay. Select search help, search by material, FG001. It will bring all the routings that you have defined for this material. So I have only defined only one of them, so that's why I have got this one. Select the bill of material. Again click on search help, the small rectangle that appears. So select the bill of material. Very important step, click here, check. So you should get task list exists, BOM exists. Close that. So you should get this green indicator here. Okay. So say continue. Okay. Now you can continue. Okay. That's it. No other, nothing else need to be maintained. Okay. This is not repetitive manufacturing. You don't need to associate repetitive manufacturing profile. Click on save. That's it. That's all you need to do. So with this, we have completed the production version. There is nothing much to add on. So this is the entire curriculum, but I am covering the basics till simultaneous costing. I will be covering in the basic version. In advanced version, I will be covering actual costing and the remaining part. Thank you very much. Happy practicing.